In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off OneDrive on Windows 11. If you want to stop OneDrive from syncing files on your computer, the process is quick and straightforward. This is especially useful if you no longer want your desktop, documents, or pictures connected to OneDrive, or if you simply prefer to keep your files stored only on your PC. To begin, look at the taskbar on your Windows 11 desktop and find the OneDrive cloud icon. It's usually located near the clock in the bottom right corner of the screen. If you don't see it right away, you may need to click the small arrow that shows hidden icons. Once you find the cloud icon, click it to open the OneDrive panel. When that panel appears, look for the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. Click that gear icon and then choose settings from the menu that opens. This will take you into the OneDrive settings window where you can manage how the app behaves on your computer. Inside the settings window, go to the account tab using the menu on the left-hand side. This section contains the connection settings for the OneDrive account currently linked to your PC. If your goal is to turn off OneDrive syncing on this device, this is the section you need. Now click Unlink this PC. As soon as you do that, a confirmation pop-up will appear to make sure you want to proceed. This is normal since unlinking the PC will stop OneDrive from syncing files between this computer and your cloud storage account. To confirm, click Unlink Account. Once you do that, OneDrive will be disconnected from your Windows 11 computer and syncing will stop. That's it. One important thing to keep in mind is that unlinking your PC does not delete your files from OneDrive Online. It simply disconnects the account from this specific device. So if you ever want to use OneDrive again later, you can sign back in and reconnect it. Also, if you were syncing important folders before unlinking, it's a good idea to double check where those files are stored so you know whether they remain on your computer, in OneDrive Online, or both. And that's how to turn off OneDrive on Windows 11.